Turn your head front and back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Right side, left side. Turn your head right side and left side. Continue. Keep your chin down, put your hands behind your head. Inhale, raise your hand, open your elbow. Side bend in steadying. Float both arms up above your head, palms facing each other to keep the shoulders joint open. Rise your arms up and turn your body. Inhale, come back to the middle. Exhale, complete to the other side. Hold both of your hands up and face your palms away from you. Stretch your left hand, hold both your hands up. And stretch your right hand. Hold both of your hands up. And exhale, extend your arms in front of you. Pull your hands behind your back. Breathe slowly here. Hands on your shoulder, rotation, shoulder forward. Rotation of your shoulders back. Hands together by locking your fingers and start rotating your wrist. Keep rotating until set is completed. Stretch, hold your right hand out in front of your body, then reach left hand behind your elbow. Hold this position 20-30 seconds. Exhale, complete it to the other side. Start straight and place your hands on your hips. Slowly rotate your hips, making big circles. Complete a set in one direction. And then change rotation. Rotate your hips front, back, right side, left side, front, back, right side, left side, and continue. Let's do it together. Rotate your right knee 90 degrees. Rotate your left knee 90 degrees. Stretch your right knee and extend your left arm. Keep balance. Look at one point. Exhale. Stretch your left knee and extend your right arm. Keep balance. Look at one point. One knee to chest to mobilize the hip joint. Complete to the other side. Next exercise, windmill stretch. Keeping your legs straight, bend and rotate. Your right arm reaches down and touches your left foot. Repeat same motion, bring your left hand down to the right foot. Elbows together, stretch to the floor. Your arms down, back straight. Keeping your elbow and knee straight, raise one arm and your opposite leg at the same time, then lower them and repeat on with your other arm and leg. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Little bit rest. And continue together, up and up. And stop this position. Good job. And again up. Exhale. Up your body. Little bit stretch. Exhale. Child pose.